Hey, you, what's the deal? It's popping up in here. Wanna have a good time, just trying to chill. When I couldn't help but notice how you're staring at me. Ooh, baby, you're so fine. You deserve a time with your sexy eyes. You're qualified. So, boy, why don't you, baby, why won't you come and talk to me? Ooh, I wanna get closer. Ooh, baby, let me show ya. I see you coming over, begging you move. I'm waiting on you to. Ooh, tell me what I wanna hear. Ooh, come in my ear. Ooh, you're making me feel sexy, baby. We can get up out of here. Gonna be fun. I'm watching you, you watching me. Gonna be fun. Can't you feel this chemistry? It's gonna be fun. It's all that crowded we should leave. Gonna be fun. Can we take it there? Cause about to close. Give me one more dance and I'm ready to go. And DJ's playing all the same songs and the night's about to end. Can we meet in the parking lot? Find a quiet place where we can talk to find out more about each other, baby. Can we? Ooh, I wanna get closer. Ooh, baby, let me show ya. That you came over, made your move. Now tell me what you wanna do. Tell me what I wanna hear. Whisper something in my ear. Ooh, you're making me feel so sexy, baby. We should get up out of here. Gonna be fun. I'm watching you, you watching me. Gonna be fun. Can you feel this chemistry? Gonna be fun. This place is crowded, we should leave. Gonna be, tell me what's it gonna be?
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this very pretty date night look. Oh, and by the way, because I know I'm gonna get plenty of questions about this, my contacts are from this Instagram page called TTDI, something like that, and the ones I'm wearing are called HD Gray. So yeah, that's it. If you're interested, make sure you have your post notifications on. That way you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, if you want to. So yeah, that's all for today. I love you guys so much and thank you for watching, and I hope I see you in my next video. Okay. Bye!
What's it gonna be, boy?